Alright, I've got a leaky sump plug. It needs a new crush washer. I've already got the Allen key ready to go in there and my ratchet. I've got the oil pan just in case, but we won't need that because we've got the vacuum cleaner. I'll show you what you do. Got my new crush washers ready here. I'm going to take off the oil filler, pop in our vacuum on top there, and we're going to switch the vacuum on. Crush washer with the ratchet. And done. That's how you change a crush washer or your sump plug without losing any oil. Not even one drop spilt. Look at that. Didn't even spill one drop. Beauty.